Hey, welcome to a new section on using ChatGPT in the field of programming. We're going to be looking at some more benefits of ChatGPT on how to make better programs and be more efficient. Specifically, we're going to see how to write documentation for a program. Now, this will consist of two parts. First, we're going to get this script and ask ChatGPT to add commenting to this script. So, inline comments. And then we're going to produce documentation also, which can be posted on websites, right? When you have a program, you also want to write documentation, so a manual on how people can use your program. So we'll do these two things. First, you can find this program attached in the lecture resources. So I'll copy this, go to ChatGPT and say, add commenting to this program. So if you want in script comments, you to write the query like this, add commenting to this program. And if you want a documentation page, then the query should be something different. And there we go. So that's how you can comment your code with ChatGPT. So what ChatGPT is doing here is adding these lines. So in Python, these are comments. These are not affecting the functionality of the program. So these are just to describe what's going on in the code. So normally we write these comments ourselves as programmers, but ChatGPT might do a better job, especially when you are not so keen in writing documentations. So some programmers, they are good in writing code, but when it comes to documentation, they don't do a great job. So that's a very good use of ChatGPT. So if you get this program and you execute it, you'll get the same output. So that's about writing comments inside the code. But if you want to publish this code on a website, then you'd want to write some documentation. So in that case, you can say, write me a documentation page for that program. So in this case, ChatGPT might even use like a heading and other headings for each paragraph. So that's quite impressive. This would be especially useful if you are writing like libraries, modules, and you want others to know how to use them. And this is how you do it. So you just ask for documentation and comments when it comes to comments inside the script. Yep, that's about using ChatGPT to document your code. Thanks a lot. See you later.